In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with TickTick. First, head over to the Zapier homepage. If it's your first time here, Zapier is a powerful tool that allows you to connect different apps to automate tasks. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a variety of options and tasks. Find and click on the Zap button, which is where the magic happens. Creating a Zap is like making a connection between two or more apps that will automate a specific task for you. In the next window, look for the option labeled Trigger. A trigger is what sets your Zap in motion. This is where you'll specify what kind of event will start the automation process. You'll need to type TickTick into the search bar. TickTick is a wonderful task management app that allows you to organize your responsibilities and plan your schedule effectively. Once you've done that, simply click on TickTick from the drop-down menu to select it as the app you want to use with Zapier. Next, you'll choose an event. You'll see a list of possible events that can trigger your Zap. Since we want to create a new completed task, click on New Completed Task. This means that every time you mark a task as completed in TickTick, it'll trigger whatever action you set up in the next steps of Zapier. The following step involves connecting TickTick to your Zapier account. Click the Connect TickTick button. At this point, you'll likely need to log into your TickTick account if you haven't already. This step establishes the connection between TickTick and Zapier, allowing the two apps to communicate. After connecting, you'll be prompted to authorize this integration. Go ahead and click Allow to grant Zapier the necessary permissions to access your TickTick tasks. This is a crucial step to ensure smooth collaboration between the apps. You may then see an option to configure any additional settings. If you do see configurations to adjust, make sure everything is set to your preference. If there's nothing to configure, you can proceed to the next step without making any changes. Now it's time to test your new Zap. Click on the Test button to begin the process. Testing ensures that your Zap works correctly and is essential for catching any errors before it goes live. Follow this by clicking Test Trigger. This will run a test to ensure that your connection and automation are functioning properly. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Zap using Zapier and TickTick. Remember, you can create as many Zaps as you need to automate a variety of tasks, making your workflow more efficient and freeing up time for more important projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.